Founded in 1946 and having been restructured and reorganized several times over the past 60 years, the Mikhailo Pupin Institute is now a holding company with one mother company, a research and development institute, and 7 daughter companies. IMP Automation and Control, the most successful company, focuses efforts on high technologies applied to the management of large-scale systems in the electricity industry, water resources management, traffic and transportation, industry, as well as on the development of information systems for the state and local administration sector. The first supervisory control systems for the electric power industry, called Atlas systems, have been developed at the Institute since 1965. The aim was to develop a technologically modern and functionally powerful system capable to support the electricity industry in the same way as the Greek Titan Atlas bears the heavens on his shoulders. In the mid-90s, the Institute's specialists developed the SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition Program, the View software package, which forms part, together with the Atlas Family Hardware Program, process computers, PLC equipment and data loggers of all segments of the electric power industry's levels: energy generation, transmission and distribution. 3 decades after the first computer application to remote control, in 2004, IMP Automation and Control started to use the View Power System digital control system for the control of thermal and hydropower plant operation.